Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I have some question which I want to share with you. If I say that, can you understand English? Can you speak English? I am sure that most of the people say that yes, I can understand English, but I can't speak English. Why? Have you ever tried to know why when you can understand English but you can't speak English? You should know about it. What is your weakness? Let me tell you one thing. If you want to become fluent speaker, so you will have to focus every little, even big or small. You will have to focus everything. It doesn't matter how big, how old, how big, how small word. You will have to focus everything because until you focus the things, you will unable to understand how to speak, where to start, how to communicate to everybody. Tell me one thing. Do you have a dream that you want to speak English, but you are struggling so far? I must know that you know every grammar rule, where to use past present tense, where to use future tense, where to use present tense. You know every grammar rule. Still, why you are unable to speak English? Let me tell you. English is not language that you can don't do anything. English is not a subject that you can speak English why know every grammar rule. It is a language. Let me tell you one thing. And language, when you want to learn, so you should practice. Even if you don't know a lot, whatever you know, you should try to out. Have you ever tried to know why lot of problem you have to face when you want to speak something? You know, because problem is that you don't want to practice. I know very well you want to speak English. You have a dream that you want to get better job, travel to different country, meet new people. But tell me guys one thing. Even if you understand or not, but it is true that I am going to tell you. If you want to learn swimming and abstain yourself from water, you will unable to learn swimming. English is like almost same like swimming. If you want to speak English fluently, but if you don't want to practice, your dream remain dream. It will never become true. You know? So what I am telling you, don't think so much about society. Don't think so much about mistake. You know? Tell me about myself. Sometime I also make mistake. Sometime I am unable to understand what to speak. Still, I have to speak. If you talk to about mistake, so I will tell you also mistake. Even native speaker also make mistake, whether you accept or not, but it is right that I am telling you right now. So stop overthinking, start practice. If I say it, it is Monday, whatever, if I ask you that it was a Monday today, what did you do in a day? What will you speak? You will surely tell me that I went to market, I went to park, I went to wherever you work. Some people have a lot of responsibility. I am sure that's why some people go to work. Whatever you do, you can speak. No need to everything perfect. Because when you speak, it means you are trying to become better. If you don't try to speak, how will you learn? Don't think so much about your mistake, because our mistake is like a good teacher. You know? So my friend, I will meet you next vlog. If I do something wrong, please forgive me. Bye.